Hello and welcome to day 24. Let's talk about voice-activated garden tools. With technologies like Husqvarna Automower or Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller, you can control or automate your lawn care and irrigation systems using voice commands or smartphone apps. Voice-activated garden tools offer convenience, save time, and help you maintain a beautiful outdoor space effortlessly. Well, that sounds amazing. I don't have a lawn to take care of. But if you had a robot lawnmower and automated sprinkler system, and you could have that go on by wherever you are in the world by going on your smart app on your phone and making it run, that's pretty cool. Do you have one? I don't know anyone that has one. Let us know in the comments below if you have one or you think that's pretty cool and you'd like to get one too.